Here we have the 2000 Nordyne running. I can see the coupler scroll down there. So yeah, this unit, it's 2000 Nordyne. And right here's a 2011 Garrison that's currently off. This guy's a heat pump. Serious is Garrison. Alright, the model number for this one is JS5BD-030KB. The serial number is JSD1108088628. It's made in 2011. And the 2000 Nordynes. Not sure if I can read the data panel, but I can read it from here. Model number is S3BA-030KA. Serial number is S3B00045-213. It's made in the 45 week of 2000. It's made in the 45 week of 2000. And it's got R22. Not sure, but whatever. This has got R22. Whatever this unit is running in heat mode, so that means it's a heat pump. Garrison's off right here. This unit's sort of rattling, but it's got no brand. There's no brand name on that. It's just a typical Nordyne. But yeah, the 2000 Nordyne 2.5 ton running, and the 2011 Garrison that's off again. Over and out.